This is your room. Ayun. This is the swimming pool. It's like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anong tower ulit to?
Tower 3.
Tower 3.
Pati yung kape namin.
Facing the house.
This one yung unit mo.
Yan yung unit mo. This is
Nasa
tower
4th
2.
floor.
40th floor.
Yes,
So, hindi ko na alam nasa yung 40th. Pero 40th floor ka daw.
Then, hindi pa tapos yung isang swimming pool.
So, 4 swimming pool.
Yung playground doon. Doon siya
Saan?
ilalagay.
Doon sa may garden.
Yes.
Okay. So, itong maliit na to, kids pool yan.
Yes, 2 kids pool, 2 lap pool, tapos may garden pa dyan. May gym, function room nasa baba.
Okay. Yung office ko doon lang, sa kabila.
Facing tower 3.
Oo. Okay. Yan yung cabinet mo. Tables. Ref. So kasama yung LED.
Yes po, TV, ref.
Ano to?
This one is
Induction.
included. Lahat po na nandito is included.
This is induction, ano no?
Kasama niya po sa binayaran niya.
Okay.
Yan, cabinets.
Yung gas dito is gas. Ay, gas ba to? Or induction?
No ma'am, electric po tayo. Bawal tayo gas.
Okay. Ang iyong pantry. And then, CR. Yeah. Nice shower.